Well, first of all, I was a bit surprised that it came so soon, because I was really expecting that we would get a new book today on the 14th. Well, then it seems that the Cardinal were able to reach a decision very quickly, and so I'm very happy. My first reaction was that of joy that we had a new book, and from what the few words he said and his one thing that struck me very much in his demeanor, in the way he behaved, was that he bowed down before the crowd and he asked the crowd to pray for him. And that's a great sign for me of perhaps a certain tone that he will give to his pontificate, simplicity, closeness to people. And so this impressed me quite a lot yesterday as a person who is ready to lead as Jesus Christ wants us to lead our lives and to be leaders in the world. Very positive. My reaction that he comes from outside of Europe is very positive, and especially Latin America, because the church in Latin America, although it has its many challenges, its challenges are great, it has spearheaded what we call an evangelization towards the poor. We even talk about the preferential option for the poor, which was a phrase that was coined in the 70s and 80s. Now that has been nuanced quite a lot, but the church has done a great amount of social work in Latin America, and has done a lot of work which often doesn't come up in the news, for poor people, trying to lift them from their poverty. And so it has a great experience of social justice, and I think the new Pope has a great experience in that field, and I'm looking forward to see this develop in his pontificate and in his role as a successor of Peter.